all this time we have been doing things on the girl child, and this time we have decided also to have the boy child with us. I'd want to thank the Save the Children, because they're the ones who have brought up this program. Thank you so much, Save the Children. And also the CSO. We are also here with the Fawe, led by Doresi. I think I'm thanking them for having supported these children here. We are not able to take all the children in the county. We're only taking representatives from different schools in the county, especially the ones that come around. We've had a very good time with them. As much as they have their rights, we're trying as much as possible also to control them, given what they're going through this time and age. So they've taken us through, they have given us their voices and what is going on in schools. And I think at this juncture, I'd like to thank our principals, our heads of institutions, of the good things that are taking place in school, especially the infrastructure. There are areas they are also noted, but those ones we are going to discuss with the principals and heads of institution. Otherwise, I would want to have this kind of meeting again with the children, on and on, if we are going to have another chance again. Thank you very much.
We have had children here for the last 2 days, children drawn from schools in Bungoma County. We wanted to have a feedback session with them following our engagement with them last year during the student conference, where they had their views concerning the way they are taking education in their various schools, the way they are also engaging as children, as learners in various areas. So the 2 days we have been here, we have been looking at what has improved since last year and what has not improved. And we are happy that there is quite a number of positives that our children are reporting. We want to thank the government for improving the infrastructure in our schools. They have attested that we have had more classrooms being constructed. We have had more teachers being posted to our schools. We have had also some improved relationship between the learners and the teachers. They have also informed us that there are still some things that they really want to see addressed. The issues of corporal punishment in schools have reported that we still have some teachers who are still physically abusing the children. We still have some schools that do not also have enough teachers. They still need more teachers. They have also spoken about the issue to do with the nutrition in the schools. So this is a platform among the many platforms that we create for children to be able to express themselves. And we have always advocated that everywhere where the adults are making decisions regarding children, let children be given an opportunity to express themselves. And this has been one of the platforms that we created, and we want to thank Save the Children through the Breadth of Skills project that has been undertaken in Bungoma County and other 3 counties for the last 3 years and some months on top, so that we can have these children speak out, we can have these children be in a position to grow holistically as learners who are able to address the challenges of life and education as they engage in learning. So we want to thank you. We want to thank the learners who are here, that you have seen that the 3 years that this project has been implemented in Bungoma, it has not been in vain. We have even seen learners who have come up with now solutions to the problems that they are encountering in education and in society. So we want to encourage the learners, we want to encourage the parents, we want to encourage the teachers and everyone else who is in a position of making a decision for the children, to make sure that the children have been given an opportunity to express themselves in the best manner they want, so that their issues can be addressed. So thank you so much, Save the Children and other partners, for allowing this to happen, and we pray that children are going to be given an opportunity to grow holistically.
We had the chance of expressing expressing the problems that have been happening in our schools, and we also had the chance to state that some of the problems are being listened to and some are being answered. We still have some problems which have not yet been answered, but they're going to answer them. That is what the government has told us. So we thank you for organizing this event, and we hope that there may be other events where we shall be invited.
I'd really want to thank the Save the Children for having partnered with us as Ministry of Education when we started this meeting of the Children Conference at Nalondo. Majority of our learners there expressed themselves and told us what they're going through. Some of them are going through traumatized situations. So as ministry or at my desk, usually when we get children who are abused and maybe through incest, especially majority here are the incest, we have incest cases. So usually when I get them at my desk, we partner with the health department. We also partner with the FAWE. We do it as a collective responsibility, of course, and through the county commissioner's office. We usually do referrals a lot. Like when they come to my desk, I refer them to the children's department, and if it's health issues, I refer them to the GBV department in hospital led by Janet, who has always been also very, very, very positive and always responded very, very fast. So at my desk, I think we are working as a multi-sectoral team to ensure that our girls and boys are not abused, even if they're abused, but they are referrals that we make. We have also trained we have also trained a few of our teachers that if we have this kind of children, these children are not supposed to be swept under the carpet. We've asked our teachers to come forward and see how much we can assist them as we wait for these rescue centers. We have a few of them, a few of these orphanages that are taking our children, especially who have been abused, like this one that is led by the Catholics at Bumula. There's also another one, I think, down there at Kimaeti. There's a home there that has always taken children who have gone through this. I'm only praying and asking maybe the county government and also the Ministry of Gender just to ensure that we get these rescue centers and see how far we can go. Because sometimes when they come to our desk, where do we take them? So I'm praying that it works very fast for us as ministry when we get these children, so that these children are protected and are saved wherever they are. Because that is my passion, to ensure that a girl child or the boy child is well protected and is also well taken good care of. So also as ministry, we are also trying as much as possible through schools, through our principals. We sensitize parents on relationships with our children at home during holidays and also at the time they're in school. I don't think I have much, but I'm only hoping that these rescue centers come as fast as possible so that we can save our children.
Some of the problems wamekuja kakabidhi kama lack of teachers. Sasa tuko na adequate teachers. Wametuletea some ICT materials zetu tunaweza kufanya practice ya computers hadi lab material like test tubes tumeleta. Ningependa kushukuru sana county na Save the Children pia kupitia kwao nimeweza achieve kuunda project ya child abuse. Inafunza watu zaidi kuhusu child abuse, child neglect, how they already child abuse victims can be helped. Ningependa county na Save the Children wanishike mkono kwa hii project yangu, because I want to be a computer wizard. Through this project naanza kuona nasonga kwa steps to my success. Kwa hiyo website yangu ni ya child abuse. First of all, nafaa kuwa na internet ndo access. Na ukiingia kwa website kuna home inakukaribisha, kuna namba hapo, kama tuseme ungependa kujua zaidi unaweza kapiga simu. Alafu kuna pali inafunza kuhusu kama unataka kujua more types of child abuse. There's a place like teenage safety hapo utaona pali wana state the child abuse, let's say kama ako physically abused. Alafu pia kuna pali hapo juu tu kwa home, ukienda kwa more unaweza kapata kama kama kuna mtoto amekuwa abused na unataka kureport your case, unaenda pale wameandika report to the nearest rescue center. Utapata kuna maforms zinabidi kujaza, alafu kuna hapo juu yameandika rescue centers ziko hapo juu zote. So una click kwa moja, alafu unapata usaidizi.
Idea yako ilikuja vipi? What is your aim?
Idea yangu ilikuja whereby tulikuwa na jirani yalikuwa ako abused. Kulikuwa na mtoto alikuwa abused hadi sasa nasikia ako somehow traumatized. So alikuwa anachapwa vibaya hadi sasa zingine alikuwa anamnyima pale pa kulala. So ilikuwa inabidi akuje kwetu akule na alale. So vile tuliitwa my first time kuitwa kwa hii meeting, tulienda na Londo CBM by tukafunza kuhusu right of a child. Hapo nikapata confidence through hii passion yangu ya kuwa computer wizard. Nikaona acha niende app ya kusaidia children. So vile tulirudi hivi shule na kwa Kenyan Science and Engineering Affairs, chetu this time akatuliza kila mtu kama unataka project unataka kuhusu nini. So I was interested in child abuse, whereby tukasaidiana na teacher na partner wangu anaitwa Veronica but yuko karibu. Tukasaidiana research more on child abuse, where create the website, tukaenda produce in the books the effects, tukaunda tu website mzuri inaweza kusaidia child abuse.